Very, very humble and honored to be the chairperson of the UDP diaspora. But I think back in the year, I was able to across a people. You could not chairman or the game. You have to do the Aloka for Alina Kate. You can you can't get a Yafu Yafu. Oto Gambia UDP diaspora for Virginia Dauda. La chairperson of the mental bit of Munola. But also, Nala Rodula, now we do not possible. So, I am going to Gambia UDP diaspora Kolu. Gambia dingol men be bandola Aliso Duala Sudotele. Gambia na la kolea nyawonya ngafo nyame ngamfansa si 20 million plus mbe wala kala nyin campaign kono ala de dasala alsi la moy ko de nyi wado kono bina present la correct for State House nse na broda ama mawr kurbal fu ay kumandim fo janne ba close
Yo, thank you so much. Mbemo be konton kumola Sutia Kamadron.
Get close.
Yeah, kumola Sutia Kamadron. Lafta mole tentula Gambian kole nyin kodo di molla from Seattle. But most important, Mr. Dabo found out a presentation auto. Mr. Dabo found out a fundraising to mbar fanan tentula mba jaila. Aning Rohi Malik Lo fanan natale nunje. And including Mayor Talib Bensouda, Mayor Alonkonga, Bond bring Gambia Janka Samba for Seattle, Purukanyin Kodo race. So, sila mentu nga Kodo race le saying, mbengata mbota dameng, nga diamun na molia ye karteo fa UDPA, so that batame me banko kang, weye boje en sakele no. So, barbe tent la majayla. Thank
you. Allah Barakabaka, thank you very much. The diaspora, you've done what you are known for. So it's not a surprise. Mbal Tentla Mbal Kembal Jaila. Janaba Mas just reminded us, ala Denkilo Maya la Janto. But that Denkilo shows the resilience of UDP. Kavoko Yembu Tendendiko Membala, Hanisan Wale Membala. That we will never abandon UDP. It shows our resilience, and that resilience will show will continue, and this party will grow from strength to strength. So thank you, diaspora, once again for these laudable efforts that you have made to save our country, because it is a crusade. It is a crusade directed at really making the Gambia a better place to live in. Some of us had the opportunity of living in a society free of fear. We went to school fearing nothing. Even though our parents were not as wealthy as parents of this day, but we are then assured of 3 square meals a day. That is no longer the case. Gambians don't take this for granted. A lot of children go to bed on empty stomach and wake up on empty stomach. And it is morally intolerable for us as leaders to allow such a situation to continue in this country. Your contribution is directed at abating that horrible situation in the country. We cannot thank you more. And I do so, not on behalf of only of the United Democratic Party, but on behalf of the people of the Gambia. Because all this is to ensure that the Gambians live in a better society. We thank you very much. And I want to say that we continue on. Let us push higher. Let us push harder. we will be able to succeed. Now, I have got these equipments. I'm not handing them over to the agencies that they say should be handed them, but since they are party assets, we'll have to register them in our assets register so that those to whom these equipments will be given, if any of them ceases to be a member of the United Democratic Party, we can have our equipment back and give it to people who will use them. That is why I'm not handing them over now until we have it in our assets register, and then we'll be closely monitoring. They are just particularly the borehole drilling machine. We'll certainly be monitoring that very, very closely, because after all, we can use it. United Democratic Party can use it in raising funds, or where we want to sink boreholes, we can do it at a low cost. We can ask the party to provide us the machine, and then we'll pay to the party the cost or the labor for drilling. So that is why we are really going to keep a watch on it. But people who have been following us on the media have witnessed the handing over of the monies. But at least you should have a record to show that these monies have been received by the United Democratic Party. And for that reason, we have prepared receipts for all the chapters. And I want to take the singular honor of asking our mother, our advisor, Ajaratu Sukainaka, to present these receipts to the respective chapters. She is founding mother of the member of the party. When she came here, she was in tears of joy that we've been nominated, and that what the expression banyi sochu nañ la wala nga ne banyi dañ la sochu nañ la.
Mané gañu sochu won té paréré yalla joy na leen da bo.
That's right. So
bañu sochu won paréré yalla joy na leen da bo.
Wow. So thank you very much. So
bëgg jog dina bëgg ñu wala jog xana tay la Problème.
So
somebody donated 2 solar panels. Okay, surprise is never end in the UDP. I think this is also worth mentioning. Somebody donated 2 solar panels to the United Democratic Party to help, in some of our water projects around the country. So, and the person does not want to be named. So, party leader, akoninga for probably hakilo ba mala, but amala fa toefo solar panel fula. Isaju be ibakala nyameng ni nanyimola sando kola ni kolonkod.
And with solar panels, I want to think this must be somebody in Germany.
But ako talk enough.
I want to think somebody in Germany.
Now
call them Sweden.
So Sweden, Allah risitol, Same risitol dila chapter sola. Total amount of money, Amadou. Can you guys give me? Chemo. Okay. Allah still.
Omar
Kamara. Ta mero ya del. Ta demo. Omar Kamara. Next is the Maryland chapter. The vice chairperson of Maryland chapter, Sidi Fofana. Next is Kansas.
Kansas City.
That is Sidi Dabo. Sidi, if you are present. Sidi Muin. Tajana Mafala Sidi, yeah. Next is the Ohio chapter. Papa Sam. Oh, Aliu is here. Aliu is there. Aliu Dabo is here to receive it. Hene Omar. Honorable Omar Danso. Honorable next. Sorry. Next is Honorable Omar Danso.
Omar Danso.
Omar Danso for your receipt. Qatar. Oh, give it to Tombo. Omar Danso would be Qatar. Qatar. Next is New York chapter. Janaba Mas. Janaba, can you step forward, please? Next is the Seattle UDP chapter, MB Kurbali. Seattle. Next is Spain. Ablai Kani or Sering. Oh yeah, Taminanja. Okay, then Spain. Spain. Yes. Recito amada ha. Ay ba wala present la Allah recito sadi Ablai nyola. Yeah. Ya bulodi al bulodi nyola. Yeah. So alhamdulillah rabbil alamin. Hadi Gay. Next is Ibu Job. Okay. All right. Fatu Sanyang. Fatu Nyan Job. Ngamira Fananti Jang. Okay. Huh? You can announce.
Thank you very much. Allah Baraka Unjarama. We have today been reached by 7,776,750 dollars.
One more time.
7,776,750 dollars. Now, B Nafanko Kafuta million warawula wuli kema warawula wuli ta warawula wul woro kema warawula anil da sitan lulu B Nafanko Kafuta wala tay yok buñ am ci alal ci parti bi tay moy juroom-ñaari million juroom-ñaari téeméer juroom-ñaari fukki junne juroom-benn junne juroom-ñaari téeméer ak juroom fukk tay lool lañ am ci alal yeen Gambian ci yena ko liggéey especially yeen ya wa diaspora bi lii da ngeen ko def ngir cofeel bi ngeen am pour Gambia ci li nekk ngeen bugg ñu génne ci te gis ngeen ne loolu du mun a am tànka UDP amut xaalis pour doxal seen campagne ni mu waree xam nañ ne ci presidential elections 7 million xaalis bu bari la waaye nag ci presidential election really need nañ more than that waaye yaakaar nañ ne ñeneen ñi suñ déggee lii ba pare ñu dégg itam ne juróom benn nit rek ñoo war a contest ci election bi yaakaar ne ñeneen ñi dinañ ñëw bokk ak UDP du ñëw rek bokk ak UDP waaye dinañ ñëw itam ak seen dimbal ñu ngi ñaan ñëpp ñëw in fact maa ngi oote ñi nga xam ne ñu ne duñ nangu ñu taxaw leel na ñëw bokk ci UDP door na waxtaan ak ñeena démba ndax barka démba si guddi am na ñu ma fi doon waxtaan boobu nañ ko continuer waxtaan ak ñeneen yi kam yoo xam ne yónnee nañ ci man ne day ma bugg a gis loolu naa ko gaawantul ndax balaa londi léegi yëpp ñu make sure ne kas nañ yëpp ñu mun a génn ak doole boo xam ne ñi ñoo xëjoog ñun nañ xam ne ñun nekkuñ mboot boo xam ne ñu dañoo songa loolu ñu woon leen lool maa ngi leen di gërëm kontaan nañ lool UDP nii rek la mun a mel ala baraka wasalaam
Kawenen don mam kamen
ali la woy mandi yanne bitala di ala de be janna
ngake nyamen daldala nyamen nyimbota symbol leto o symbolu nga duwa woliye adu adunda da mem fanan akeda jikole kan fo jikolu besi ma fano ala kana anke nyoy fisiri wallati ala man na jikol timala so ali ngal fatiyota jannim be janjanda yo nga another presentation also do jande iko sana jaaju men yamuta fati right wol farana bi jang so men do se mabe no they can be here nga wol farana kuro samana yana de menat na jang ala baraka you no there's none for you ala bi
stay with us. There is another program again. And program on you can. Sama no comment that program dulu sama le nyame no. Oto momo ya no kedi jilo right now. It's a kind of wrong. You stay with us. We will bring you the next program ya no kedi kadiala. But Janinka Abandorong, we'll have interview with some certain people. Yes, Papa Sam. I am voting UDP. I told them multimedia lonko B diaspora Mbalo Loreto. Many atina to Alcala Kodosaga Alcabula UDP. Many atina Bimbala Lumacono. I mean at Alcala Kodosaga Alcabula UDP.
UDP Jata Walale, UDP Menke, sacrifice the Maleke for Gambia, UDP Lota Tonya Lekang, UDP left Gambia Bonilade, UDP left Gambia Boni Batalecono. Walad number loading, UDP Fasa, so then Gambia Subono is the only political party Mensi Gambia Bonino, and left Walekela, inshallah Rabbi. Amma Aleoke, 2021, Bausen in the Samala State House, inshallah Rabbi.
Come on, actually, multimedia lonko, mara fundraising na UDP kono tumbong bi apel naje ko jamaba bi yew samana through the fundraising me alon ko diaspora ko la samana yemina sore be mem fla diaspora ko le
But we have surwa kangol so that na surwa fenkol support say understand. Wow, legi diaspora bitay present nañ $7,776,750 as for their contribution. Before li amna yenen li contribute on tamit. So diaspora is very important in the politics of the Gambia, not only for their financial contribution, but it is one of the richest constituency in terms of experience and qualifications. So we want them to continue supporting the party and also to start calling their people, families and friends in their villages and towns so that they can vote UDP come December 4th, 2020.
Binum badungulu ali amulu walam tombonti kemo kemo atala modu me alon ko nyum ko do mel kedi tan kedi to lalla to kemo nyaajibe kemo lu palati UDP kemo naaji demu lu balti UDP be atawo ba ko fanit kemo la fa yafa moliye e be ko biye mun kontan na sodo
abaraka ba ke Mr Sonko e ngamere bi mu special deleti United Democratic Party follow mbete fontendu la mbe jayla biru somande bi siring IEC e manda samake e credit ko fo ngalon ko it was difficult for you konton e make because ntata la ngetere be condition mi ko ngalon e batade sacrifice a party e ka make so sulata ki information o menna ya soto ini kibaro na raboje mi yalon ko akira party e kontan ku bad ini yankuba dabo lawyer mbal tentula mbal jela abouakar fulus drame fana benu nje bari ale menke ngamera woni kara bal na rapati bi muni atina mbinyi be momento bi almost nyajube $7 million, $7.7 million me yalon ko ngolo received an donation from the main sponsors, the main donors of the party, that's the diaspora group. Inkerenyo kuti mianka kerenyo kontan kubat sirfo o kamala fonsi diaspora group o beten to ngejay ya makoro meke patiola bare biñu fana ñitan dela ko inshallah je dala so dala sidi United Democratic Party la mbaji la ko dala so ñing anyanta duna damang ay donje na campagne choose la best official inshallah nimbatoto ngana dum election duties kono wo fana party preparation ko nga bajolo de dala wo kamala o kontano wota bake bi nga ñu ko do merci sirfa baraka bake
ali amoy wom kemolati we will still have Sister Geneva atolle mo me alon ko New York chapter e ko UDP la second chapter wala New York te bi lu fele ale ko di jama bale samana jang with sadu chapter bi yemon content le sobe be men fula Gambian ko
bi fo kontano nga meng samana jang njitu talal nense America milongo be kono nga samana jambi mbakela le na sembo benna mbe mobe kontonna mbe nyoko kol be kontonna ana silalu ani ñu men be American call Europe momo mbe mobe kontonna because UDP mu bunkiri ngolti UDP leng party ti mi yalon ko ning mo koy don ko mbe UDP kano kama albe ka ke bakiri fakiri neti so ntol nga ñi kanti bi sono men samanante jultara bakire because man kan soto no pour ka congress ke ngana congress prepare and congress ñi dana avec la very expensive congress lati mi yalon ko mbe dikita ko mbe kodi ba bare mek la no congress to bari ala na attaque mbe preparation la pour wona nata ay na kolbe sendi koma man na chance to pour que any congress ke New York chapter so wala tina nga plan B ke ngan nañu online fundraising ke ala na tan har jeñi na nga sama nan kana pati do de tala bari bir tala le nak
aliou fana moy wala Sister Jenabati Albea Moile, I Jam Kindle, we're coming to have another program, Jandim program on Betel Drone, Kachal Sotla, Mulmilanko, Bekadok Kandong, No problem. Mercado ko donc jani programme ñu membe jana be start na mercado ko mo no yalon ko contribution okay de fero kala kaje ko pour ni wol be clink kacha jani ba folo ko the next program memo sana yes I'm coming the next program me yalon ko wala musana la programme oti sana la mol dum dala yes Serenko Musolko bon e fanam fele inata bonan Spain naaji be Spain chapter alfane ko jama bale di UDP la minatina albala ko do sika kan kaduna UDP kundo Serenketa
sirfo abaraka baki ani nyini karo kumata sirfo yaaje le bi gambianol bata men kono gambia dingol mumela be ko banko e falling banko duna fallingo UDP les wono United Democratic Party nde saringe kulo njele gambia dingo men siata mo wuli jamati men yalo gonte lon Spain banko kan ala lungolu na telephone wol bakuma ani mborin ko la bi Spain banko kan soma willing pour kaje ko contribute la nyamen ko ni mansa kunda nyi falling aussi batal menike pour ka futebe damento e man la fitol dingolu aningo dingolu o lebulo bata sifal kono gambia banko kan oto man sakunda men so falinno wala mo UDP oto ko pati yin sembentu yandi kela na flo dundige adoyata la transo dundige wajibole mu gambia dingo be kan e make pour kaje ko e mi fene sot laje in return bari yake mune kamma ko ni man sakunda ken do nyi sotota o banko nyi sambalale anyanta fudal dam banko dingol mum la bes na fa soto je oto dalilo nyi kammala ni nemu gambia dingol la nganyeti kela kodol dundi United Democratic Party because ye menje wala mum falindiro me yalon ko definitely mbole sibo kan meta wala sibo la biru kunu so biyaje ko UDP la so bondino oto gambia dingol we are ready to make this change sirfo abaraka bak
Good, yeah. So guys, stay with us. We're coming live again. Thank you.